Oh no! The bread is burnt! Elephants! Oh! Oh no!
It came off completely.
That wasn't the plan.
Children, Father's Day is this weekend.
Yay! Yeah.
Fathers do many things for their families.
Yeah.
They work hard, help at home, and take care of us.
My dad fixes things all the time.
That's wonderful. This Father's Day, don't forget to say thank you to your father. A simple thank you can make your dad very happy.
Okay, teacher, we will. Hi, Mom. I'm home.
Welcome home, Vini.
Where's Dad?
In the backyard.
Dad, what are you doing?
I'm repairing this chair.
Again?
Someone sat on it too hard.
It wasn't me. Laughs. Dad, are not you tired?
Sometimes.
But you keep helping everyone.
Families help each other.
Okay. Dad works so hard every single day. I want to help him out. What can I do? Oh, I know how to help my dad. Dad,
Yes?
I have an idea.
Tell me.
I want to become dad for a day.
What, Dad for a day?
Yes.
For the whole day?
Yes, the whole day.
Then tomorrow, you can do all my tasks.
Deal. This is gonna be fun. Good morning, Mom and Dad. Dad Vinny is here.
Oh my God!
Dad Vini? I like your name.
Yes, that's my name for today. Tell me, Ka, what is my first task?
First task? Make breakfast.
That's easy.
Really?
Bread, eggs, and milk. Everything is here. That's great. Let's start making breakfast. First, we take breads. Oh no, the bread is burnt. What do I do now? There is a lot of black smoke. And the toaster is too hot.
Something smells strange. Yes, you are right.
Where is this smell coming from?
I think from the kitchen.
Let's see. Oh no!
Look at the toaster!
The bread is black. I think the bread became a rock.
Dad Vini, what are you doing?
Oops. Oh, I am sorry, Mom and Dad. Breakfast is harder than I thought, but I will do next task carefully. This task is easy. I put the toys on place. Now I sweeping the floor. The floor look clean.
Where is the TV remote? Dad Vini, where is the TV remote?
I put it somewhere safe.
Safe means no.
Time for groceries.
Let's go.
Do you clean living area?
Yes, let's go now.
Here are the bags.
I can carry them.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay, carry only one.
This bag is so heavy. Oh. It feel like elephants. Very large elephants. Oh. Oh. Dad Vini, the cabinet door is loose. I can fix it. Really? Yes. Give me the screwdriver. Okay. I will fix it. Be careful. Got it. Oh no!
It came off completely.
That wasn't the plan.
Dad Vini, I need your help. Can you help me?
Tap is not working, Dad Vini. Can you help me too?
Everyone needs something. I haven't sat down for 1 minute. My feet hurt. Dad's job is too hard.
Dad Vini, where are the groceries?
Groceries?
That's still in the car.
Oh no, I surrender.
Already?
Yes. So, how is your challenge?
Difficult. Really?
Yes, I feel very tired.
What was the hardest part?
Everything. Dad, you work hard and help everyone.
I do my best.
And you almost never complain.
Well, maybe a little.
Vini, do you have an idea for Father's Day?
Yes,
What is it?
it's a coupon book.
Wow, that's nice.
Happy Father's Day, Dad.
What's this?
A coupon book.
Coupon book?
Yes, choose one thing.
Let's see.
Yeah,
1 free hug.
yeah,
1 movie night.
yeah,
1 car wash.
yeah.
1 ice cream trip. I choose this one.
Which one?
Ice cream trip.
Excellent choice.
Let's go right now. What flavor do you want?
I want chocolate. I want strawberry. Can I get 2 ice creams? Today tastes wonderful because it's Father's Day. Yes, and 2 Dad eat ice cream together.
You are right!
Wow, a cake for me.
Oh! Best dad ever. Surprise! That's for you. I learned something important.
What did you learn?
Being a dad is not easy.
That's true.
Dad, you are so brave. Thank you. You are our hero. We love you, Dad.
Everyone respect your father
Help your father
and love your father so much.
Happy Father's Day.